Hello friends, here we have summary of chapter 2 Geography and our chapter's name is Physical Feature of India. Here first we will discuss about the tectonic movements of the plate. Here we will discuss different type of plates. Here in this picture you can see the different names of the picture plates like Eurasian plate, uh, Indo-Australian plate, African plate. So we will discuss these plates. See, uh, the movement of the plates result in the building of the stress within the plates and the continental rock about the leading to the folding or volcano activities. Then see here are the movement of the plates. Three movement of the plates are given here, and then we will discuss Gondwana land also. So see, it is the southern part of the Asian supercontinent, Pangaea, which we already discussed in junior classes, with the Angara land in the north part. And these are the plates which we already had discussed. Now see, major physiographic divisions. So, the physical feature of India can be grouped under the following physiographic division. There are six. First, the Himalayan mountain. Second, the northern plains. Third, the peninsular plateau. Fourth, the Indian desert. Fifth, the coastal plains. And sixth, the islands. So first, if we will talk about the Himalayan mountain, so we can say the Himalaya. Geographically, it's a young mountain, and strategically, it's a fold mountain or stretch over the northern border of India. It's cover a distance about 2,400 kilometer. And one more thing, its width vary from 400 kilometer in Kashmir to 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. Here in this picture, you can see Himalayan mountain range, and then next is the average height of Himalaya is 6,000 meters, and Himalaya is divided into three parts like Himadri, Himachal or Lesser Himalaya, or Sivalik. Then here some mountain peaks are given. So as we know that Everest is the highest and it is in Nepal, and India's highest peak is Kanchenjunga of Himalaya only. So Himalaya's highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga, and then other names are also given here. And then these you can see in this picture the picture of Himalaya, which is given in our book also. Then see the northern plains. The northern plains has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely Indus River, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. So they form the northern plains, Great Plain of India. And then one more thing, it's spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometers, and the plains begin about 2,400 kilometer long and 240 to 320 kilometers broad. So these are the northern plains. Here you can see some women doing their work in plains, and this picture is also from our book. And then see the peninsular plateau. So next is peninsular plateau. Plateau, as we know, plateau is a higher or rise land. So see, this plateau consists of the two broad divisions, namely the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. Western Ghat and Eastern Ghats marks the western in the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau. Means western and eastern edge of the Deccan Plateaus respectively. Okay, it's not in its end. Then see The Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. The average elevation means height is 900 to 1600 meter against to 600 meter of Eastern Ghat. And the Eastern Ghats stretch from the Mahanadi Valley to Nilgiri in the south, and Eastern Ghats are discontinuous and irregular and destroyed by the river drainage into the Bay of Bengal. Then one more thing, here one waterfall is given, and then see the Indian desert. The Indian desert lies towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hill. This region receives very low rainfall, below 150 mm per year. Luni is the largest river of this region, and then here you can see in the picture of Rajasthan where women are going, and then see the last coastal plain. It is narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. Konkan, Kannad, and Malabar coast are the part of western plains, and northern Sirkar and Coromandel are the part of eastern plains. Here some women are working here in the fields, and then islands. So as we know that Lakshadweep Island groups lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala, and this group of islands is composed by the small coral islands and Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal. Thank you. Here is one island.